Save time and money with labeling systems from Spring Mills Manufacturing. We're a leading manufacturer providing innovative, proprietary, and patented techniques for products and services, all made in our in-house machine shop. Our wire labeling systems are reliable, low-maintenance machines. Available models include the Dot Matrix Series 15 and the new Series 20 with thermal printing that's perfect for barcodes. Labels can be wrapped around objects in diameter from approximately 1/8 of an inch to as large as 1.5 inches in diameter by simply changing the cartridge. This system is perfectly suited for labeling wires and hoses in the automotive industry, and our labels are pre-treated and resistant to motor oil, brake fluids, and high temperatures. With the ability to wrap a label in a second and easily trace product lots, production has never been more efficient. Our label cost can be as low as 0.3 of a cent. Compare this to our competitors' prices, which many of them start at 4 cents or higher. This makes the return on investment almost immediate when combining material and labor savings, making it a win-win for you and your business. For more information on our labeling equipment, please visit springmillsmfg.com or call us at 814-422-8892.